Their principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Navyashri. Today we are Grade-VIII Cerulean students are privileged to conduct the assembly. To begin, let us close your eyes for a moment of silence for blessings of the day. Day with positive mindset. Now I would like to invite Hansika to present today's word.
Hey everyone, my name is Hansika from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Today's word is the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Thank you.
Repeat once again. Loud.
Swati will update us with international and national news.
Keep your hands properly.
Today international and national news is brought to you by Swati from Grade-VIII Cerulean. International news. India charges 150% tax on American alcohol. National news. Andhra Pradesh MP promises 50,000 rupees fixed on deposit for
About importance of sports and games.
Everyone, I am Number from Grade D. Today I am going to speak about importance of sports. Sports and games are very important for us. They keep us healthy and fit. They offer us change in daily life. It is useful mean of entertainment and physical activities. Games and sports helps in character building. It is good for physical and mental health. I want to end my speech with small thought. Don't be a game player, be the game changer. Thank you.
About how to stay healthy.
Hey everyone, today I am going to speak about how to stay healthy.
Very louder.
To be healthy, focus on balanced diet. We should eat fruits and vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and healthy fats. We should exercise daily to keep our body fit and active. Yoga, meditation, and walking always are helpful for our body and mind peaceful. Drinking more water is drinking pl- what drinking water plenty of water is important to our body to hydrate.
Enough for motivational speech.
Very warm morning to everyone. Myself Saivina Vaishnavi from Grade 8D. Today I am here to motivate you with my speech. Let's start. In our life many people will come and go, but some people will discourage you, right? If people discourage you, don't let them to stop you to achieving your goals. It may be they are afraid of your success. Remember that everyone has their own opinion and follow your goals and never give up on yourself. There will always be people who will try to bring you down, but don't let them stop your achieving your goals. If you ever feel discouraged, you remember that you are talented and capable and smart. So go out and show the world what you are made of. Remember this, కష్టాలు ఎప్పుడైనా భయపెట్టడానికి రావు, మనకు ఎలా బ్రతకాలో నేర్పించడానికి వస్తాయి. Success is never final. Failure is never ending. But two things will define you. One is determination when you have nothing. Second is attitude when you have everything. Compete with yourself. Be your own competition. Kill them with your success, bury them with your smile. Lastly, I want to conclude my speech with a quotation. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to person or things. But it is difficult to ignore. But it is science to move forward and let us show our success.
Call my friend Veena to take today's pledge.
భారతదేశం నా మాతృభూమి. భారతీయులందరూ నా సహోదరులు. నేను నా దేశాన్ని ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను. సుసంపన్నమైన బహువిధమైన నా దేశ వారసత్వ సంపద నాకు గర్వకారణం. దీనికి అర్హత పొందడానికి సర్వదా నేను కృషి చేస్తున్నాను. నా తల్లిదండ్రులను, ఉపాధ్యాయులను, పెద్దలందరినీ గౌరవిస్తాను. ప్రతి వారితోనూ మర్యాదగా నడుచుకుంటాను. జంతువుల పట్ల, నా దేశం పట్ల, నా ప్రజల పట్ల సేవానివృత్తితో కలిగి ఉంటానని ప్రతిజ్ఞ చేస్తున్నాను. వారి శ్రేయాభివృద్ధులే నా ఆనందానికి మూలం.
State news.
Grade-VIII Cerulean, year 2 brought state and sports news. State news. Hyderabad police detained senior women junior list. Sports news. Rohit Sharma overtaken Virat Kohli in the rankings. Thank you.
Everyday learning a word is improve our vocabulary. I would like to call Shomani to state students say today's word.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's word of the day is brought to you by Shivani from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Word, gracious. It means kind. Friends, please spell after me. Gracious. 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 Thank you.